Thinking about sending or receiving money? Ever wondered what the difference is between a routing number and an account number and why they're both so important for transfers? You're in the right place. Today we're talking about Patriot Bank's routing and account numbers and the critical role they play in getting your money where it needs to go. While the terms might sound technical, they're actually quite simple and essential to understand for any kind of electronic transfer. Let's start with the routing number. Think of this as the bank's address. It's a 9-digit code that identifies Patriot Bank specifically within the U.S. banking system. This number tells the transfer network where to send the funds. It's used for all kinds of domestic transactions, from direct deposits of your paycheck to paying bills online, and even for ACH and domestic wire transfers. Without this number, the transfer would be like a letter with no street address. It would have no idea which bank to go to. Now, your account number is the personal identifier. This is your specific account, like your unique apartment number within the bank's building. It's what distinguishes your checking or savings account from everyone else's. When you combine the routing number, which is the bank's address, with your account number, which is your personal address, you create the complete destination for your money. So, for any transfer, you'll need both. The routing number gets the money to Patriot Bank, and your account number ensures it lands in your specific account. Finding these numbers is usually straightforward. You can typically find your routing number on the bottom of your checks. It's the first set of 9 digits on the left. Your account number is right next to it. If you don't have a check, don't worry. You can always log into your Patriot Bank online or mobile banking account, or check your bank statements. And if all else fails, a quick call to customer service can help. Just remember, when you're setting up a direct deposit, an online bill payment, or a money transfer, double-checking both the routing number and your account number is crucial. A single mistake could cause delays or even send your money to the wrong place. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.